Ryan Brenton has our forecast, and you weren't kidding. You showed us that chart before the break of
rising chance for rain.
Yeah,
wow.
Had to dust that off.
I sure did. And it's funny. I think the good thing about tomorrow evening is it should be pretty widespread that we get about an inch, and it's not enough to cause any problems, just enough to
help a
get
little.
Things wet.
Alleviate things. Maybe.
Yes, exactly. And then we're going to get a great weekend. Take a look outside right now. This is from Topsom, and it's kind of a dreary late afternoon. 61 degrees there. We've had this onshore wind all day long that's kept the clouds in place. So far this month, we've had around an inch of rain, and I think in many areas tomorrow, we will double or more these numbers, because it looks like an inch plus is a good possibility through much of the area tomorrow. The mountains and far north probably not quite as much, and we'll see where this heavier band of rain sets up. It could end up a bit farther south or closer to the foothills, but around an inch of new rainfall seems like a pretty good bet through early Friday morning. Right now, wind coming in off the ocean, so only in the upper 50s in southern Maine, right around 60 degrees for Bangor and Waterville. Clouds have been thickest down in here, but there has been some sunshine in eastern and northern Maine today. A few showers to our west, and those will work into southern Maine tonight, but we're really waiting on these two areas of rain to come together and move in late in the day tomorrow. So overnight tonight, clouds remain in place, maybe a little mist and drizzle, or perhaps a steadier shower, especially toward tomorrow morning. You may actually see a few peaks of sunshine in eastern Maine tomorrow morning, far eastern Maine. The rest of us, though, will be rather cloudy. Few showers around through the morning. I don't think any of this is all that heavy, but there will be some drops out there into the middle of the day. It's during the afternoon, though. This is 3 o'clock. Steadier rain develops over southern Maine, then it shifts into central and eastern Maine through the afternoon. Downpours out there for the evening commute tomorrow, and that continues into tomorrow evening as well. And look at the temperatures at this point tomorrow night, 9 o'clock, right around 70 in southern Maine. It'll be a humid night as this rain moves through tomorrow night. Then it sweeps east toward and after midnight tomorrow night, and by Friday morning, the steady rain is over. And I think Friday turns out to be a pretty nice day. Feeling a little summer-like, too, with temperatures in the 70s to perhaps near 80, with just a pop-up shower around Friday afternoon. Most of the day on Friday ends up being dry. Then we're in for a great weekend. So we're getting some needed rain, and we're timing it such that the weekend is in good shape. High pressure builds right in. Low 70s on Saturday. The overnights will be fairly mild, too, with temperatures in the 50s. Sunday actually looks a bit warmer. We could push into the upper 70s in some places with just some high clouds in place. And then into Monday, another high builds down from Canada, which should hold moisture to our south through at least the middle of next week. So another dry stretch is on the way. Tomorrow's small craft advisory is up. Seas will be running 3 to 5 feet on the water. So rain moves in tomorrow, a few showers in the morning, but steadier and heavier rain tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Friday is a pretty nice day, just a chance for a pop-up shower with highs in the upper 70s to near 80, and then a beauty of a weekend. And as we've been mentioning, mild in the morning, warm in the afternoon, not going to deal with any frost unlike last weekend. And I think we're dry into the middle of next week. So at least we're going to get some rain, and then we don't have to feel guilty with all that sun again.
Right.
Side of it.
Yeah,
Exactly.
right.
Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.